You work it fast or slow? Ben, you work it faster or slower? Dude, getting some chunks on that thing. Oh, darn. There's one right there. I set the hook a little harder than that. There you go. Come here, little guy. Oh yeah. Nice little fella. Barely even hooked. Hey Ben. I don't know what it is about Benjamin's woolly buggers. They're killing it. Ooh. Oh, Mr. Fishy. Thing is good in the water, man. That felt like a bite. Come back and get it. Come on, Mr. Fishy. Oh yeah. Another one. Come here. Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that one. I mean, it's micro, but it's a little guy. Goodbye. I guess a little bit quicker reaction. Maybe not. Get out of that. There we go. That was a little nerve-wracking. There's no shot there's no fish under that. I might have walked by him and scared him. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. I mean, I lied, he's not nice, but for the fly rod, no problem with that thing. Come here, fishy. Come here. There you go. That's definitely my best one on the day. Ain't no complaints. Says Drake. Heck yeah. Let's go, man. I mean, he's like half a pound, but ain't no problem. I don't know if it's the shadow line from the bank that they're sitting on or if it's like grass, but it all seems to be around the same area. So I'll let it sink a little more. Kind of putting high hopes on this little pocket over here working. Seem to always have good luck over there. And I'll tell you what, it would be really cool to catch like a 2-pounder on this real light fly stuff. The odds of me catching it are extremely low, but still be fun. Ooh, come back. That was bad. Do it again. There you go. Oh, again, dude. Same spot. And it might be grass, and I might be crazy, but we're gonna go with it's a fish. All right, that might have been a fish. There you go. It's a nice little one too. I don't know what it is. Oh, a little bass. Come on, get up here. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about, Willis. I catch these things all day on the fly. That's so much fun. Little tiny guy. Get off my foot. There we go. That's a nice one. Come here, guy. Another little bluegill, man. This thing's choking it too. There she goes. Dude, another just under my hand-sized bluegill. Jeez. I mean, come on, dude. Heck yeah. That is so much fun on the fly rod. See what's cracking down the hill. Oh wow, that's actually a really nice fish, whatever that is. That's a bass? Looks like a bass. That is a bass. Get up here. Heck yeah. Man, not even like just skin hook. Dude, on the fly, man. Nothing wrong with that at all. Like that. Yep. And I scare myself with this fly sometimes. Gets up way too close to me. I need to switch up the way I'm working it. Oh yeah, that's a decent whatever it is. Is that a bluegill? Dude. Ow. Yep. Dude. This is a nice bluegill. Not huge, but ain't nothing wrong with them. So fun on the fly, man. Get back here. Try to get like one or two more. I go eat. Oh. Oh yeah. Hey, quit doing it. Oh yeah. That's a really pretty fish. Purple and orange. Goodbye. Alright, well, of course, as soon as the GoPro dies, catch the last one. On the fly again, yeah. But catching these little things on the fly is so much fun. Alright, I'm gonna go eat now. Well, I wish the GoPro wouldn't have died, because I keep catching them, you know? It's, nothing crazy, but I mean, that's plus two fish minus one GoPro.